See it, step it, try it.
Clean up what first? There's toys, books, shoes, and laundry. I don't know where to start.
That's the problem. When kids hear clean up, it can sound like one giant job.
And when the job feels too big, kids freeze.
Surprise! Your child may not be ignoring you. They may need a system. Welcome to FamilySystemsLab. Today's system is called
Chore System for Kids!
Without a system, everyone gets frustrated.
One person ends up doing too much.
Kids get confused.
And the mess comes right back. That is why a chore system matters. Not to make kids perfect, to help them know what to do next. Here is the FamilySystemsLab way. See it. Step it. Try it.
What does that mean?
See what needs help.
Step the chore into small jobs.
Then try one job at a time.
When someone says clean up, I think they mean everything. That feels too big.
Exactly. So we do not start with everything. We start by naming what we see. Break it down. Break it down. Step 1, see it. Kai, what needs help?
Toys are on the floor. Books are on the couch. Shoes are under the table.
Great! Now the job has a shape.
When you name the mess, it stops feeling like a monster. I'll do it all at once. Oh no, that made it harder.
That's the mistake. Trying to do every chore at the same time makes the job feel bigger. Step 2, step it. First toys, then books, then shoes.
That sounds easier.
Because now your brain knows the order.
Big mess, small steps. First, toys go in the bin. Next, books go on the shelf. Then shoes go in the shoe spot.
That's it.
You did not clean everything at once. You followed the system.
Now I know what to do next.
Wait, there is one step many families skip, the done check.
What step?
Before you stop, look one more time.
Ask, did everything go back where it belongs?
Almost missed one.
That is why the done check matters.
That was easier than just hearing clean up.
Because now you had a path.
And when everyone has a path, helping at home feels calmer. Try this today with one small chore.
Do not start with the whole room.
Use the system.
Use the system.
See it, step it, try it.
Then do the done check.
Try it with a grown-up nearby.
See it, step it, try it.
See it, step it, try it.
Thanks for watching. See it, step it, try it. Simple routines, smoother homes. Subscribe to @FamilySystemsLab for more videos.